Here's how to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now, if you currently have WhatsApp open, let's close out of WhatsApp. And the first option that we have is to open up the App Store. Now, I'm going to walk you through a basic way to update it, but also a secondary way where you can clear the cache and storage and force update it. This works if there are any bugs or glitches in the app. Now, the first thing we're going to do is tap on the search button, and we're just going to search for WhatsApp on this list. After we've done that, if you see next to WhatsApp Messenger, it says update, you can just tap on update. But again, keep in mind, if it doesn't say update or this isn't working for you, there's a second, more robust way to update. To be able to do that, we're going to get to your settings instead. And from here, tap on General towards the bottom, and then there you can see iPhone storage. This shows you every single app that is on your iPhone. All we're going to do is scroll down to get to WhatsApp, and we're going to offload this app and then reinstall it. By going through this process, essentially what it does is it force updates it to the latest version, but more importantly, it clears the cache and temporary storage within the app, fixing any kind of bugs or glitches in the app.